Hi, this is Sean-Michael Latimour here at Cardon. We're going to actually do another episode of I Didn't Know My Table Could Do This. I'm going to actually talk about how we actually can use pieces like this to actually become leg rests. So instead if you don't have a leg rest, then we can actually relax that down, and that's still very comfortable for the client. So each model of the table can actually work. We're going to focus today's episode on actually showing how to actually do some specific neck work and tension through here. So a lot of times your clients will have that tension or stiffness through the neck, and because everything is so compressed, we usually call it eye symptoms or tech posture because the neck is forward. So we want to bring the headrest up a bit more, and you can actually see how it raises the curve in through that area. Then I'm actually going to come down through here. We're going to raise the table in the center a bit just to get rid of the posture a little bit in the lower back, flatten that out. And then I'm going to come in here and start doing my treatment work. A lot of times we're bent over like this on the table trying to do our work. The good part is having a table that's multi-use is we actually can raise it to the proper height. Then I actually can come in and actually do more specifics. And then again, I'm not hurting my back, not hurting my body. Okay. This can also free up the area of the neck to actually help with those issues. Again, I'm letting the table do the work for me. I'm not working harder, I'm working smarter. Okay, then I can come back again and drop the headrest even further. Now I can come in and really traction that area out. So if you have clients that are having thoracic outlet issues, having carpal tunnel, headaches, migraine, this works really good having the headrest be able to come up and down for you. I'll get you to turn over onto your back now for me, Nellie. Okay. Again, if you're a chiropractor and you're looking for something too, you can raise the headrest up as well too, or even just doing some stretching in through here. I can actually bring the head up further. You can come in and do your adjustment work that you need to with the headrest in that position as well too. Okay, so we're gonna come in and now here do some neck work. Again, if you want different heights, if you need to adjust the area, I can come in here and be really specific on the different vertebrae because the headrest can rise and fall very easily. You can come in again, do some nice fascial work, get some good stretching. Again, I can actually raise in here, so I have different heights. I can actually stretch out the neck now, allowing us to give different areas, so then I can actually lower it, so I can actually get the different levels of the scalene, middle, upper, and lower scalenes. So we get a good stretch in through there again. Again, you can see the headrest is doing most of the work. Again, I'm using the stool again, and I actually can come in and nicely stretch out the cervical area. Again, this is getting rid of any headaches, migraines, neck compressions. Trying to get any of those knots out of the shoulders very easily with it. And then if I feel more comfortable with it, again, I can drop it down even further and then pull all the tissues down towards the floor to bring out, so we can actually get that posture back into the person that we're working on front of. And again, I can easily level it back out without having to lift the handles or pull a switch or lever. But like I said, just having the versatile of the headrest to go up and down, and I can treat in different positions just to give the person some relief is a big deal for me as a therapist. Also, I can actually benefit seeing more clients because more patients will say how this table did this for me, you need to go see this person. So you can actually get people referring more people to you because now you have a device, a tool that can actually do more in your practice for you. So that's the good part about having a table that multi-use like this.